and gentlemen, that practically is going to wrap up our show for the night. Yeah, that's practically going to do it for tonight, guys. But before we go, we're going to make our way back to downtown Disney so we can show you what's left of the Starbucks / Sweetaboo shop. Because honestly, I don't think we saw the full impact of what the Demolition is like. And who knows, a little bit of it may have changed since we were on the monorail not that long ago, several hours ago. So as our park day comes to an end, so here we go. And oh, there's the train we were on just less than 45 minutes ago. All right, as we exit the park tonight, let's head on over. Oh, I think that's a Maui. I thought for a split second, oh, it's a night shirt. Damn it. All right, anyway, let's make our way back to downtown Disney. Now, here's what I can tell you as a little bit of a surprise. Because, surprise, we're actually going to be doing food reviews again. Only this time we're in the celebration of, since we are in the season of Mardi Gras. What is the one thing I've been wanting to review? The beignets! So yeah, tomorrow we'll be reviewing the beignets inside Disneyland. And then on Saturday we'll be reviewing them from Jazz Kitchen to see what we can come up with here. And, oh, there's the monorail again. That's probably our goal on Thursday's show, but there is a catch. I forgot to mention what day it is on Saturday. Saturday is March 17th, meaning it's St. Patrick's Day, meaning I'll be wearing green. Thankfully, I have plenty of green items. So I have nothing to worry about, basically. But of course, man, the old Starbucks and the AMC theaters is starting to come down. Oh my God. It really hits home now, and I wouldn't be surprised any day now, because of this wind and the potential rain, that thing right there is going to fall. Damn, man. And the Portaboo sign building is likely the next to fall. Will likely be the next to fall. And as you can see, some of that banner chanting is also coming down as well. But the good news is, as part of the whole Reimagine Tomorrow, we got a lot of artwork here. Wow. Very impressive. And, oh great, I forgot the Oscars are coming up. Meaning, run for your lives, everyone. Hollywood traffic is going to be awful in a few weeks. And we still don't know who the damn hosts are. But probably the one that's been getting a lot on social media before we go back towards this is this one. That one. Pose on top of the rock. We go to here, okay. Whoa. Pose on top look like... Okay, let's take a look. I mean, in the spirit of Ikanto, we got, wait. It was on top of the rock, okay? Whoa. Yeah, great force perspective. Great force perspective. There's the guy that made it. 1,000 points to him. And yeah, don't be surprised. I won't be surprised when we come back on Thursday. On Thursday, we will definitely be seeing... Thursday, we're going to see this part start coming down. Yeah, there you go.